Meerkats are small, lively creatures that live in the vast, sun-baked deserts of southern Africa. Known for their playful behavior and distinctive standing posture, these fascinating animals thrive in large, close-knit family groups. They are part of the mongoose family, and their social structure is one of the most complex and fascinating in the animal kingdom. Meerkats live in groups called mobs or gangs, typically consisting of around 20 individuals, though some mobs can be even larger. Each group is led by a dominant pair, usually a male and a female, who make key decisions for the group and are the primary breeders. The rest of the group consists of helpers, often younger meerkats or relatives, who assist in tasks like watching for predators, taking care of the young, and foraging for food. One of the most interesting aspects of meerkat behavior is their cooperative nature. Meerkats take turns standing on their hind legs as lookouts, while the rest of the group forages for food. These sentries have sharp eyes that can spot predators from a distance, giving the group enough time to escape to safety. The sentry will alert the group with a series of high-pitched calls, signaling whether the danger is far or close. Once the alert is given, the group will scatter and hide in the burrows they've dug. Meerkats live in underground burrows, which they dig themselves using their powerful front claws. These burrows provide protection from the scorching desert heat during the day and help them escape predators. The burrows are also used as a safe haven at night when the meerkats rest and sleep in close quarters, often piling on top of each other for warmth and protection. Despite their small size, meerkats are skilled hunters and foragers. They primarily eat insects, but they will also hunt small vertebrates, such as lizards and birds, and scavenge for plants and eggs. Meerkats are highly social when it comes to food sharing, and they often take turns feeding, with the dominant pair usually eating first, followed by the other members of the group. Meerkats are also known for their fascinating vocalizations. They communicate using a wide variety of sounds, from chirps and barks to growls and whistles. These calls serve different purposes, such as warning of danger, calling for attention, or expressing excitement. The meerkat language is complex and helps them maintain coordination within the group. One of the most heartwarming aspects of meerkat society is their level of care for one another. Older members of the group often help raise the young, feeding and grooming them as they grow. Young meerkats are taught by their parents and other group members how to hunt and forage, ensuring that the skills needed for survival are passed down through generations. Meerkats also engage in playful behavior, which is not just fun, but also important for their social development. They practice pouncing, chasing each other, and engaging in mock fights, all of which help to strengthen bonds within the group. This playful interaction is essential for building trust and cooperation, two key aspects of meerkat society. These incredible animals show that even in the harshest environments, cooperation, family bonds, and teamwork are vital for survival. Meerkats are social creatures who rely on each other to thrive, and their behavior is a wonderful example of the strength found in unity.